Niagara Falls. I've showed you guys the falls. I've showed you guys the falls at night, but we've never talked about food. Today we're looking at AlMacs Buffet, and I think it's like $7.99 breakfast and $17.99 dinner. Let's go inside, yeah? Let's go see what is here to eat. Oh, let's take a look at the sign here and see what exactly you get. Oh, so you got eggs, omelet, bacon, sausage, home fries, hash browns. Well, you guys can read it there. And this is the dinner buffet. And for $7.99 between 7 and 2 p.m. Yo, that's a good price for Niagara Falls, man. Last night I paid $21 for a burger. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. Are we right here? Oh, it's a big space, huh? This is the actual buffet here. You got a whole bunch of yogurt and fruits and all that. You grab your plate over on this side. Grab a plate, and then I guess you just follow all the way down. You know what? I think I may be in people's way, so I won't show you the actual buffet, but I will show you my plate. Irene, put on for the dessert. That looks like some kind of fritters, right?
Yeah.
Pancakes. We got some big old chunky eggs, some toast. I'm gonna try this, man. I'm getting dessert first. Little fried donuts. I'm not a waffle person, but hey. Nah, not for me. Too soggy.
It's an omelet.
It's cheesy, huh? I'm making the bread. What is this? It's like oatmeal, huh? Yeah, some kind of rice or rice pudding. There is scrambled eggs. There is this kind of hash brown thing. That's the bunch of sausage in it. A couple of these. This bacon is a mess, but we'll try it. Pancakes, French toast. That's it. Where's the home fries? So peep this. The fruit, the fresh fruit, is straight out of a can. Fresh out of a can, maybe? Maybe that's what they meant. Oh boy. So you went on with butter.
Yeah.
You went on with maple syrup. With that Aunt Jemima fake maple flavored kind of sugar water.
Yeah.
And what are you doing now?
Jam.
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 Well, I don't have pancakes.
How sweet do you need it to be? Do you sprinkle powdered sugar on there too?
No, sweeter than me.
Sweeter than Chris?
Yeah.
Good dog. Breakfast buffet for $15.99. An apple juice for $3.99. A coffee. And now look at the size of the coffee cup. $3.49. And a bottle of water, which is just this Esca, whatever brand that is. It is good tasting water, but $2.99. I'll be honest with you. It feels like I've been ripped off. I ain't gonna lie, man. The service was good. The older lady who's helping us here, really nice lady. But I couldn't find anything I wanted on the buffet. At the end of the video, I'll talk more about that. But $2.99 for water and a coffee for $3.49. What I don't understand about the water. So the water, let's say it's pure filtered and all that kind of jazz, right? But she gives me a glass with ice, which I didn't use, and they gung ho on straws in this place as well too. the ice is made of tap water. So I would put my supposedly better water into supposedly terrible tap water, municipal water made ice. That just doesn't make sense to me, boy. It just doesn't. And people still really serve Frenchies. I guess they're Canadian. Yay, Canada. Before we go get the 3 reasons to go to visit this spot here, you know, I've got a bit of a gripe. You know, every time we go to Niagara Falls, no matter if it's the daytime, the nighttime, whenever, we always have a problem finding something good to eat, reasonably priced. Everything across the board down there is 1, terribly expensive, and 2, very basic. I'm talking about the core there, Clifton Hill, all that area down there is very difficult to find something to eat. And my gripe with this place is at our hotel, we checked their website, we checked the listings and everything else. And mind you, they did have a little asterisk there saying stuff may vary. But still, man, where was the potatoes, those home fries? We didn't see the home fries. The fresh baked muffins, there was no such thing. Homemade cakes. Where did we reach late? No, it was like 1 p.m. Maybe 12:30. About 12:30. You close at 2. You stop serving breakfast buffet at 2. I don't know. This place just was not for me, man. The food was just terrible. The only thing, I mean, let's say we'll touch on that in a second. The bacon was one big clump of nonsense. They're all broken up. Terrible food, I'll be honest with you. The price of the coffee, the price of the juice, the price of water. Come on, man. Have metric liter ton whatever of thousands of gallons of water, liters of water falling off Niagara Falls right there, and I'm paying? Nah. Anywho, enough of my griping. 3 reasons to go. Kind of hard to find these, but it's cheap. I don't know, but I guess you get what you pay for. So cheap, 1. 2, if you like pancake and pancake is your thing, unlimited supply of pancakes. The syrup though, I don't know, man. It's that flavored sugar water kind of thing there. No. And the sausage, the one bright spot. I'll say this: those dark little brown little fingerling kind of sausages that you saw there. Wicked, boy. They also said, you know, I'm gonna go back a little bit there with my griping. They also said country fried ham, I think it was, or I think I'm looking at my notes here. I think it said what was the word, honey ham or country honey ham or something. I didn't see any of that, man. And the fruit, what was that about? The fruit out of a can? Oh, please. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This place is terrible. Niagara Falls in general, Clifton Hill area is terrible. The night before I paid $20 for a burger. The most basic of burgers I've ever had. No. Come on, Niagara Falls. We can do better than this, man. And this place, I really need to check this out, because your buffet, unfortunately, is probably a 4 out of 10. Friends, thanks for joining me here on Gallivanting. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure. Irie.